Community chair position for a faculty member at a university is quite unique. It allows a faculty member to step out of that silo of the university and really be a connector to the community.
The role of the community chair is to bring the university to the people, to engage in research, teaching, and engagement with communities that's relevant for community well-being.
To me, the community chair plays many roles, with the main role being to participate in and initiate new programs to improve the quality of our early childhood education workforce.
The Buffett Early Childhood Institute at the University of Nebraska is part of a shared vision between philanthropist Susie Buffett and the University of Nebraska to make the world a better place for children and families and those who care for them and educate them every single day. With each one of our community chairs, these are professors who have decided that their work is in concert with the community.
It's very important for the state. We're serving the youngest in early childhood, and it really takes a pipeline to do that, to meet those kind of services. And so I think the university is very well positioned to do that.
We know that 4.2 million children nationwide lack affordable childcare, and this is even more pronounced in rural areas. If parents can't find childcare, they're not working. Therefore, their household income is lowered.
Early childhood education is so important because it is the future of our country, and we need to make sure that we're supporting it the best we can.
You know, our College of Education, Health and Human Sciences is really so proud to partner with the Buffett Early Childhood Institute. Really, they are the guiding light in a lot of ways for what we're trying to achieve from the sort of collaboration that we have here at UNO with all these wonderful partners. We really are bringing scholarship and best practices into people who do it on a daily basis, who can really give us the deepest understanding of what works in the field and what doesn't work in the field.
I've been blown away by the collaborations that we have and the initiatives that we have that touch on both training, research, as well as community engagement.
My involvement with the Institute has really opened up the opportunities for me to engage in the early childhood community that I would not have been able to do on my own.
The knowledge and expertise that the Buffett Institute employees bring to the table, it is just a game changer. Being able to surround ourselves with people that have the knowledge, skills, experiences that maybe we don't have the time to hone in on, and it just makes a world of difference.
It's really important for the university to go out, be in communities, working with people, because it has to be a partnership. The university needs to be responsive to communities, what is important to communities and what communities need.
Another layer of that is positioning someone to be a knowledge broker who can kind of switch between these two sort of different siloed spaces and break them down and bring new information. In many ways, schools are the hub for rural communities. It's where life happens. And so for me, these younger learners need to be engaged with the best kinds of preparation to be ready and have the skills to be moving into our school system. We know there's data that suggests a kind of stark disparity between those young children who have access to high quality early child care and those who do not.
You know, when I think about community engagement, that really hits, I think, the sweet spot of what our mission is as a land-grant institution, is that we're providing great training, but it also is being done in a landscape where research is occurring. Students are a part of that research process, and so they're learning, but they're also getting cutting-edge experience and understanding of the best interventions that are evidence-based to deliver. That's being done in concert with how do we reach out to the communities and make sure that we're leveraging the knowledge that we have and the resources that we have to support the state.
We don't sit in our offices and decide what communities need or what is important to them. And that's the importance of being out there, doing focus groups, listening to, building relationships with community members to really understand what's happening, what their ideas are about how to solve problems and to address these issues, and then to provide those kinds of supports.
A university is exactly what its name suggests. It's the universe of all that we need. And what we need at our universities is for us to be thinking about how to connect the research to the policy in order to improve the practices that happen on behalf of young children and families and communities and schools. And that's what our community chairs do.